What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have vacuum bags. These bags are good for traveling or good for storage. If you have big blankets for the winter time, then you could put those away for the summertime. You won't waste closet space. I have to say with this vacuum bag, that's different than the other vacuum bags. You definitely get more. So this is a 24 pack, come in different sizes. So if you have big quilts, blankets, stuff like that, you will be set. What really take this one to the top is that it comes with its own pump. Amazing. It has a charger port right there, and the charger port is USB type C. Let me see. So you got 20, 24, and 28 inch. It's like a black tint. I can see through it. Whatever blanket you put in, you'll still be able to see what blanket it is. All right, you guys, so we have everything laid out. We have the 20 inch, 24 inch, and the 28 inch. Each one comes 8 in a pack. This is PA plus PE material, 1800 milliamp built-in battery, 100 times that you can suck in your bags or suck in your blankets in your bags. Again, and good for traveling. As for right now, we have our mini comforters that we get from the wholesale stores. Putting it in the 24 inch, good enough for one of my little quilts. I might be able to compact another one in here. This may fit because it's very thin. So it depends on how you roll it and shove it in there. Seal that up. So you see right there, close, open. Lefty loosey all the time. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And here, put it right on and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Now that was seconds. Nice and compressed. If you want to release the air, all you do is remove this plug. Put your plug back in, suck it back in. All right, you guys, so we have the 28 inch and we have our regular blankets. So I did a little donut fold. I'm gonna put some sheets right here on the side. So you got your blankets, pillowcases, bed sheets, zip in, open, vacuum. All right, you guys, and it's compressed. You can take this, put it in your back of your truck or wherever. You can flatten it out. And that's it. Close it and travel on. All right, you guys, the link will be in the description. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.